So, what's up, people? I know it has been a long while, about 12 days, that we haven't uploaded any video till now. But today, we received an excellent email from YouTube about how much you supported us, like how many people subscribed, how many likes we got, how many comments we got, and even how long people watched our video. So, we were thrilled after seeing that, and I know this video won't blow up, but in today's video, I'm going to tell you the best smartphone of 2020. I know this year has been a very bad year for everyone, but for the technology world, it just skyrocketed. And even all the tech companies had the trillion-dollar market capitalization, and they released their best product till now, like the Ryzen, their M1 chip, and whatnot. Even the iPhone 12 mini and also the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 2. Yes, the Z Fold 2. That was an innovative smartphone in the smartphone space. And today, I'm going to give you the verdict, which is the best cheap smartphone of the year 2020 and which phone you can buy even in the year 2021 so that it doesn't get old and you can use it for another 3 to 4 years. So without any further ado, let's get started. So the best smartphone of the year 2020, probably I think you people have guessed. So I will give you two smartphones. One, the budget one, and another, the premium one. So the budget smartphone of the year 2020 was the Google Pixel 4a, which is not more than 25,000 rupees, which is extremely cheap with reliable software from Google and also reliable hardware with excellent photography like the Google Pixel 5 and the Google Pixel 4 XL. Yes, I'm talking about the high-notch quality of photography that Google offers through its software processing. So the Google Pixel 4a is the king of the budget smartphone. And now we move on to the premium ones. So what is your guess about the premium smartphones in the premium space, which is about 60,000-70,000 rupees? Yes, I haven't got hands on to any of those phones, but by seeing the spec charts, I can tell you which is the king of the premium smartphone industry. And the crown goes to none other than the Z Fold 2. I know it is very costly phone. It comes at a premium price of 1,20,000 rupees. But it is the most innovative phone that any company can offer at the present time. And even it is one of the most hyped phone of the year 2020 with excellent software and hardware and also an innovation in it. Not a box-shaped smartphone, rather a smartphone and a tablet or phablet. And it has fixed all the bugs of the Z Fold or even the Fold. And it has become one of the best choice for each and every tech reviewers out there. So if you like this video, click that like button and destroy the YouTube algorithm. And also don't forget to subscribe and destroy the subscribe button with notification bell on. So signing off for now. Bye.